Hey guys, my name's Ethan, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to redeem your Hyatt points for maximum value. This video is going to be in 3 parts. So first, I'm going to quickly cover the best ways to earn Hyatt points because there are a few you're going to want to know before you even start staying at Hyatt properties. In part 2, I'm going to show you how to redeem your points for hotel nights, including how to transfer Chase Ultimate Reward points to Hyatt. And in part 3, I'm going to show you how to get the most value out of those points with some real examples of properties you can maximize your points with. Part 1. How to earn Hyatt points. My #1 recommended way to earn Hyatt points is definitely Chase Ultimate Rewards points. You can earn the sign-up bonus on cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred, getting you 60,000 points or at least $600 worth of value. You can transfer your Chase Ultimate Rewards points over to Hyatt, turning your 60,000 point sign-up bonus into over $1,000 in value very easily. You can then pair the Chase Sapphire Preferred with other Chase cards like the Freedom Flex, Freedom Unlimited, or any of the business cards, and earn even more points. You can also pool your points together with another family member. I did this with my wife, and it's literally the best way we know how to get free hotel nights. It's extremely powerful. If you're a renter, you can use the Built Rewards credit card to pay for your rent without any fees, and you can transfer those points to Hyatt at a ratio of 1:1. The third way to earn Hyatt points is through hotel stays. Now this sounds obvious, but there's actually a lot you can miss out on if you don't know what you're doing ahead of time. When you charge something to your room, you'll earn Hyatt points for those charges, and it won't cost you any more than just paying with your credit card. So for example, if there's a restaurant or you buy something at the front desk, charge it to your room instead of paying with your credit card. You can also earn Hyatt points through American Airlines flights. You just link your Hyatt and American Airlines accounts, and you'll start earning Hyatt points for flights booked with American Airlines. Nights at MGM resort properties can also earn you Hyatt status. They can count those stays as Hyatt loyalty nights. Now, the fourth way to earn Hyatt points is to leverage status. Hyatt has a really good loyalty program. It includes things like late checkout, room upgrades, free breakfast, but you'll also earn points 10%, 20%, or 30% faster depending on which loyalty status you have. So having status could earn you up to 30% more points. A really easy way to earn status, and our 5th way to earn Hyatt points, is to get the World of Hyatt credit card. You'll get automatic Discoverist status. You'll also earn 9 points per dollar spent at Hyatt properties. I recommend you use the personal Hyatt card, and my referral link to this credit card is down below if you'd like to help support this channel. If you charge everything to your room with this card and you have status, you'll earn Hyatt points a lot faster. But make sure you maximize these other ways to earn Hyatt points as well. So now for part 2, how to redeem your Hyatt points. All right, we're at my computer now, and I'm going to show you how to redeem Hyatt points on their website, including how to transfer your Chase points to your Hyatt account. So first, we're going to head over to Hyatt's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account already, it's free to set up, and it takes about 2 minutes if you go here. I would always recommend you check for availability before you transfer your points. You can do this by going to Hyatt's Explore page, searching for the property you want, selecting the property, choosing your dates, the number of guests, and make sure you select points. Here's what it will look like if there's a room available. You should see a standard room free night. And here's what it'll look like if there's not a room available. So once you've checked for availability, you know a room is available and how many points you need to transfer, head over to Chase Ultimate Rewards and sign into your account. So once you're signed into the account, you're gonna wanna hit the menu button and select Transfer to Travel Partners. Here you're going to see a list of accounts you can transfer to, and you're going to want to pick World of Hyatt and transfer points. Here you can select the recipient if you've already done this before, or if you're new, you can add your Hyatt member ID, which you'll find listed here on the Hyatt website. So now you'll hit continue. Now you simply select how many Chase points you want to transfer to the World of Hyatt. Once that's done, you can hit continue. That will bring you to this confirmation page where you'll hit confirm and submit. So once that's done, refresh your page and you should see your points show up here. This usually takes about 30 seconds. Once you have your points in your account, you can scroll down, choose your room and hit select. You'll then arrive at a confirmation page where you can confirm a few of your details and then hit book my stay. And that's it, your room is booked. That's how you redeem your points for free nights at Hyatt. But now how do you maximize your Hyatt points for the most value? So back over on Hyatt's website, if we scroll up, we'll see this option to select points calendar. It's really helpful to find which nights are cheaper with points. So for example, you can see this night only costs 15,000 points, where this night costs 18,000 points. I would especially look for dates that include off-peak pricing, which means they're charging the least amount of points possible. This will help stretch your points a lot farther. Another way to maximize your points is to head to the offers page on Hyatt's website. You'll often find ways to double your points at certain properties or earn extra points on dining. There's also some interesting options if you want to work remote from a Hyatt property, and there's a lot of opportunities to earn Hyatt points. Okay, now I'm going to show you some specific properties that give you a really high value per point and how to calculate if you're getting a good deal. So first off, you should always scroll down when you're booking and click view rates. So here I can see the minimum cost per night for a room is $405, and I'm only paying about 18,000 points to get that room. So right there, I know I'm getting more than 2 cents per point, which is a really good deal. So this property in Puerto Rico is a pretty good example, but there's even better deals out there. So over on Hyatt's Explore page, I'm going to show you a few properties that I really like and that you'll get an insane value for your points. There's a property called Alila Ventana Big Sur. You can see the cost per night is usually over $2,000. But if I filter by points, it can be as low as 40,000 points per night. This is a really good way to turn $400 worth of Chase points and Hyatt points into $3,000 worth of value. Another great property I know a lot of people love is the Park Hyatt New York, which goes for $1,400 per night or just 40,000 points. That's a really good value of over 3 cents per point, and I would be happy paying this much. By the way, I like to make sure I'm getting at least 2 cents per point. Hyatt points are generally valued at about 1.8 cents per point, so getting 2 cents or more is a great value. Over in Paris, you have the Park Hyatt, which is over 3,000 euros a night, but just 40,000 points, which is well over 6 cents per point. It's an amazing deal. So the point is, there's tons of Hyatt properties out there that will help you maximize your value and stretch your points as far as possible. If you'd like to see how I redeemed my Chase points for over $12,000 in value, then check out this video. So there you have it. That is how you redeem your Hyatt points for maximum value. I hope this video was helpful to you and helps you redeem your points for some amazing travels. I plan on coming out with more videos to help you travel for free and optimize your finances. So subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.